How much should you actually spend on a police scanner for your car? You see the cheap options and the pricey ones. But which is actually worth it? It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Uniden Bearcat BC125 AT. The Uniden Bearcat BC125 AT is a handheld scanner that caught my eye with its price of $157.89. What I found appealing was its compact design and a whopping 500 alpha tag channels. If you want to stay informed on a variety of frequencies, this is worth a serious look. Here's how this scanner addresses your needs. It has close call technology, which means it can instantly tune into signals from nearby transmitters. This is super helpful, especially if you're in a new area and want to catch local police, fire, or even NASCAR frequencies. The 10-hour battery life is solid for long trips, and the orange backlit display makes it easy to read, even at night. With 4.0 stars from over 9,600 reviews, people seem to love it, and it's a bestseller for a reason. However, some users pointed out that it's not a digital scanner, which could be a deal breaker if you live in an area where digital trunking systems are prevalent. Here's the thing though, if you're using it mainly for non-digital channels, that's not a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, portable scanner for local communication. Skip this one if you need something that can monitor digital channels, as that's where it falls short. Considering what it offers, it's a solid value for money. Now, if the lack of digital scanning is a concern for you, the next one might actually be even better for more advanced needs. Product number 2, Encell AD310 OBD2 scanner. Next up is the Encell AD310, priced at a wallet-friendly $23.99. It's not just another scanner. It's actually recommended by mechanics, which is quite impressive. If you want a reliable tool to read and clear engine codes, this is worth a serious look. This scanner is a must-have for anyone with a check engine light. It reads and clears error codes quickly, which means you can diagnose your car without heading to a mechanic. The sturdy design holds up well, and with a weight of just 12 ounces, it's easy to carry around. Plus, it works with all OBD2 vehicles from 1996 or newer. With a high rating of 4.6 stars from over 65,500 reviews, it's clear that people trust it to get the job done. On the downside, some customers mentioned that it only supports emissions-related issues. So if your check engine light is due to non-emission faults, this might not help. But here's the thing. If you're mainly concerned about emissions and need a quick fix, it's definitely not a deal breaker. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or anyone who wants to keep their car in shape without spending tons at the shop. Skip this if you need something that goes beyond basic engine diagnostics. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option, but there's a model that takes things a step further if you want deeper diagnostics. Product number 3, Encell AD410 OBD2 scanner. The Encell AD410 comes in at $39.99 and offers enhanced features compared to the previous model. This scanner can be a game changer if you need more than just basic diagnostics. If you want to understand your check engine light better, this is worth a serious look. With over 42,000 built-in DDC lookups, you can easily identify why that pesky check engine light is on. It supports key functions like reading and clearing codes, live data, and even smog check readiness. That means you can check if your car is good to go before an inspection, which saves you from unexpected fees at the shop. Its 4.5-star rating from over 15,400 reviews shows it's delivering value to many users. One concern some users noted is that it doesn't support ABS or SRS systems, which can be a drawback for those needing comprehensive diagnostics. But if you're primarily concerned about engine issues, it's more than sufficient for your needs. This is perfect for casual drivers and DIY mechanics wanting to gain more insight without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need support for advanced systems like ABS. Considering all it offers, it's a solid investment for your peace of mind. Now, if you want even more functionality, let's move on to a model that combines multiple diagnostic tools into one. Product number 4, Encell AD410 Pro OBD2 scanner. Moving on, the Encell AD410 Pro is priced at $59.97 And it's a two-in-one tool that not only diagnoses engine issues, but also tests battery health. If you want to streamline your diagnostic process, this is worth a serious look. This scanner goes beyond just reading codes. It performs battery health assessments, cranking tests, and charging system evaluations. So, if your car fails to start, this tool can pinpoint whether the issue lies with the battery, starter, or alternator. It also boasts real-time data, so you can see what's happening under the hood as it happens. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 4,100 reviews, users appreciate its versatility. However, some users mentioned that it doesn't support ABS or transmission diagnostics. If that's a priority for you, you might want to look elsewhere. But here's the thing. It's an incredibly useful tool for anyone focused on engine performance and battery health. This is perfect for those wanting a comprehensive diagnostic tool without the clutter of multiple devices. Skip this if you specifically need ABS diagnostics. For what it does, it's a great value. And speaking of effective tools, let's check out a radar detector that offers a different kind of protection on the road. Product number 5, Cobra RAD 700i Laser Radar Detector. Finally, we have the Cobra RAD 700i, priced at $259.95. This radar detector surprised me with its premium features and ease of use. If you want to enhance your driving experience and avoid unwanted tickets, this is worth a serious look. This device offers a premium detection range, so you'll know about radar signals before they even get close. It features a built-in GPS that reduces false alerts, which means you can drive in peace without constant beeping. Plus, it connects to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can see alerts right on your vehicle's display. With a solid 4.2-star rating from 563 reviews, it's a reliable choice for many drivers. One downside is that it doesn't support two-way communication, so it's strictly for detection. Some users might find that limiting. But honestly, for most drivers, the focus on quality detection is what matters most. This is perfect for anyone who wants to stay informed about speed traps and radar signals while driving. Skip this if you need communication features. Given its features, it's a solid investment for safer driving. And that wraps up our top picks. So, to recap, the uniden Bearcat BC125 is great for straightforward scanning. The Incel AD310 is budget-friendly for basic diagnostics. The Incel AD410 offers more functionality. The AD410 Pro combines diagnostic tools, and the Cobra RAD 700i enhances your driving experience. Each has its own strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.